It turns out that tearing off tape with bare hands is so easy. Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about tape, a must-have in every household. It's handy, but sometimes scissors are nowhere to be found. Let me show you some easy methods to tear tape without the need for scissors or teeth. The first method is perfect for everyday packaging. Just put your index finger under the tape, place your thumb on top in the middle, and pull it down hard. If it doesn't work, use your sharp nails at the edge, gently pull, and pinch, and the tape breaks easily. Now, let's talk about the folding technique. After sealing a box, pull out the tape a bit, fold it in half, create a crease with your fingernail, maintain some looseness, and pull it back quickly. The tape breaks at the fold. Fast and efficient. Here's a neat trick using transparent tape. Tear off a small piece, fold it into a right-angled triangle, press down, and pull skillfully. No scissors or teeth are needed, and the tear is as neat as using scissors. So, there you have it, easy ways to tear tape without scissors or teeth. Remember these tips, and you'll save time and effort. Share these methods with your family and friends, and if you have more suggestions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. See you next time!